I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing the Hunter 3/4 inch anti-siphon valve kit, which comes with the valve, filter, and pressure regulator. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna flip the camera around, and we're going to take this kit out of the bag. Now, the nice thing about this kit is it comes with all the parts that you need all in one package, so you don't have to buy them separately. And what we're looking at here is this is the Hunter anti-siphon valve. It's the PGV angled valve. And then this is the anti-siphon portion of it. I'll hold it up to the other camera here in just a minute. And then the other part of it is the Hunter 150 mesh screen filter, which we will take apart. And then it comes pre-installed with a, this is a 25-pound pressure regulator, I believe. Yes, there it is. 25 PSI pressure regulator. Let's go ahead and flip the camera back around, give you guys a closer look. I'm gonna undo the solenoid. It comes with Hunter's standard AC solenoid on top. Again, just as a reminder, you can turn the solenoid a quarter turn to activate the solenoid manually. And then this is the anti-siphon portion as well. So what this is designed to do is keep water from flowing backwards. Water can only flow in this direction, and it cannot flow backwards, so that you don't get cross-contamination of your irrigation water to the potable water system. And then because this is the PGV valve, you do have your flow control handle right here. You can use that to manually close the valve and the diaphragm. And then this is the bleed screw. So if you turn this, you can manually open the valve. And again, just as a reminder, water will trickle out of the bleed screw when you do that. So generally you're gonna keep that nice and tight. And then as the other part of the kit, you have the, get this up, the 25 PSI pressure regulator and the 150 mesh screen filter. I have done another video on these screen filters already, but let's go ahead and open this guy up, take a look inside. There is the 150 mesh stainless steel screen filter. It's a really nice filter. And if you want to clean these, all you have to do is take it out, just like I've done here, dip it in a bucket of water. You can use a soft bristle brush to clean them. And then one other thing that's nice is the top of this filter here. You can remove that and flush it. So if you do want to clean it, you can, I think this is really tight, there we go. You can open this up, remove the cap, and then manually turn on the zone for just a few seconds. Keep in mind that when you do that, water is going to come pouring out of this end. But because this is installed above grade and not inside a valve box, you don't have to worry about filling up your valve box when you flush this out. And then again, there is a flow direction. You can see water is designed to flow in that direction. So you may want to go ahead and thread this on like so. Again, anti-siphon valves are designed to be installed above grade like that. You'll have your incoming water coming into the valve through the anti-siphon portion and then down through the filter, through the pressure regulator into your system. Okay, so because this is a 25 PSI regulator, you do want to be a little bit careful not to run lots and lots and lots of feet of drip tubing, because you may not have enough pressure due to friction loss through that pipe to run a great distance. So if you do want to run farther, you may want to get a drip kit that comes with a higher PSI regulator, like a 35 or a 45, and you may not need a pressure regulator at all. So also keep that in mind. And you know, if we can help you with any of your other Hunter irrigation needs, any questions you might have about finding a replacement diaphragm, designing up a system, switching spray heads over to MP rotators, we're happy to help you. You can reach us by phone, chat, and email. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll talk to you then.